There are vehicles created to travel, and then there are the hyper-technological land mansions, designed to move the most absurd luxury and aerospace engineering across the highways of the planet. What you are about to see is not conventional transport. It is a brutal deployment of high-resistance chassis, robotic automation, armored interiors, and smart residential automation that the brightest minds in engineering use to create rolling presidential suites. While the world settles for traditional caravans, the ultra-luxury market has developed an arsenal of million-dollar mechanical monsters that challenge the laws of habitability and automotive design. Get ready to meet the 8 most massive, expensive, and technological motorhomes and recreational vehicles in the world. Number 8. Marchimobile Element Palazzo Superior. We start this countdown completely destroying the limits of automotive design with the most extravagant and futuristic vehicle on the planet. A massive engineering that will keep everyone glued to the screen. The Element Palazzo Superior is officially the most expensive and vanguardist motorhome in the world, a structure on wheels that fuses high-end yacht engineering, aviation, and competition vehicles. Its 12-meter chassis stands out for an aerospace-level driving cabin with a panoramic circular windshield whose glass can be electronically darkened through a smart software. Upon pressing a button, the side of the vehicle expands robotically to double its internal space, activating a radiant underfloor heating system and an integrated bar. But the true technical genius is its upper deck Sky Lounge, a roof that rises pneumatically through hydraulic actuators to create an open terrace with a bar and integrated furniture, leaving everyone on the road frozen. A destructive demonstration of technical opulence that opens our list with the bar in the stratosphere. Number 7. Dembel Motorhome. In the number 7 spot, we delve into a deployment of competition engineering and European minimalist design built on a 3-axle Mercedes-Benz truck chassis. The Dembel Motorhome is not a rolling house. It is a super yacht designed for the asphalt that incorporates technologies inherited from Formula One laboratories. What is truly brilliant about this colossus is its smart rear garage. Through a system of hydraulic ramps and automated robotic arms, the floor of the vehicle moves outward to store a complete low-profile sports car flawlessly without altering the distribution of the interior space. Its interior features independent energy systems powered by an immense network of solar panels on the roof, a high-capacity lithium battery bank, and a centralized software that autonomously manages the fluids and climate control of the vessel, operating with an absolute silent comfort. Number 6. Armadillo RV. Going up the scale of extreme resistance and vehicle terraforming, we arrive at the pride of the extreme adventure market of the Asian giant. The Armadillo RV is a military-level mechanical beast designed in China to withstand the most hostile and brutal expeditions of the planet without sacrificing an ounce of interior luxury. Built on high-resistance all-wheel drive transmissions, this monster features an armored exterior bodywork of reinforced composite panels and a 3-point floating torsion structure that allows it to cross dune deserts and rocky terrains of Tibet without deforming the passenger cabin. On its roof, it incorporates locally developed satellite communication systems and military-grade water purification stations that can transform water from a contaminated river into drinking water in milliseconds. The Armadillo proves that China not only dominates heavy machinery and factories, but is capable of replicating its technological power in ultra-luxury survival bunkers. Number 5. SLRV Commander 8x8. In the 5th spot, we find a monumental work of heavy expedition engineering that abandons the limits of the highways to delve into absolute autonomy in the middle of the deep nothingness. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a 2-story Titan designed with a military operational scale. This mechanical mass of 8 driving wheels with independent differential locks is powered by a marine diesel engine of enormous displacement, capable of dragging its more than 20 tons through impossible swamps and deserts. To solve the space problem, engineers designed a liftable roof system that doubles the height of the motorhome electronically, creating a complete residential second floor with fixed beds. Its energy system includes industrial-grade high-power alternators and a quantum energy management system that grants it a total autonomy of months in the most isolated corners of the planet, redefining exploration forever. Before moving on with the video and revealing the top 4 with the American rolling palaces and the smart suites that hide luxury sports cars in their entrañas, tell us, what impresses you more so far? The Aerospace Palace Element Palazzo with its terrace on the roof, or the tactical armored bunker armadillo of Chinese manufacture? We want to know your opinion in the comments. Also, leave us a good like, as you help us tremendously to break the YouTube algorithm. Let's continue. Number 4. Motorhome Grand Empire. We enter the top 4 with the undisputed monarch of the design of land-ocean liners on conventional European ways. The Motorhome Grand Empire is a structure so massive and colossal that it makes tourist buses look like simple plastic toys. Built on the heavy platform of the Mercedes Actros, this giant features an engine of more than 500 horsepower to displace its 15 tons with a flawless smoothness of ride. The vehicle incorporates motorized sliding sidewalls that expand the salon robotically once parked. All the lighting system, the blinds, and the professional kitchen appliances are coordinated by a smart automation network controlled by digital touchscreens of zero latency, offering the experience of a floating 5-star hotel in any coordinate of the map. Number 3. Vario Perfect 1200. In the third spot, we find a titan of residential automotive engineering that represents the pinnacle of custom manufacturing in the European market. The Vario Perfect 1200 is a 12-meter mechanical mass built on a heavy coach chassis that challenges everything known in spatial distribution. The true technical genius of this colossus resides in its fiberglass-reinforced high-resistance monocoque construction and its rear garage of absurd dimensions. Upon pressing a button, the rear gate rises through industrial-level hydraulic actuators and deploys an automated robotic ramp designed to suction and store a luxury compact car in its entrañas without subtracting a single millimeter from the master bedroom. Equipped with up to 3 lateral pneumatic expansion modules that slide millimetrically and seal the air hermetically, the Vario Perfect 1200 functions with an indestructible energy system based on fuel cells and smart battery banks that guarantee absolute autonomy in any corner of the world. Number 2. Prevost H3-45 VIP. We arrive at the second place with one of the most respected and colossal structural platforms of the American continental transport industry. The Prevost is not a vehicle built from scratch to be a motorhome. It is the conversion of a large commercial coach into a work of art of heavy mobile architecture. With an imposing height that exceeds 3.5 meters, the H345 features the largest lower storage space on the market thanks to its integrated high-resistance stainless steel chassis of military level. This ultra-rigid frame provides an unmatchable impact safety and an impeccable road stability at high speeds. Naval and automotive engineers collaborate to line its entrañas with water desalination systems, acoustically isolated low-noise twin diesel generators, and high-definition infotainment systems that operate continuously through artificial intelligence, serving as the great measuring stick for celebrity transport worldwide. Number 1. Newell Coach P50. We arrive at the number 1 spot with the mobile structure of residential design most massive, luxurious, and technologically advanced ever built by modern civilization. The Newell Coach P50 is the undisputed number 1 of our countdown of engineering on wheels. Each exemplar of this 15-meter mass is built in an artisanal way using an exclusive chassis designed to measure by the company itself, eliminating the limitations of using commercial truck platforms. The P50 is powered by a high-performance Cummins engine coupled to an intelligent transmission that calibrates torque electronically according to the inclination of the terrain. The vehicle features up to 4 sliding sections of robotic expansion driven by pneumatic systems of military level with active air seals to guarantee an absolute thermal and acoustic isolation. Its interior unifies the total control of a smart house through voice commands and predictive algorithms with energy farms based on last-generation batteries, crowning itself as the crowning work of residential automotive engineering in human history. And that is how the world of design, heavy robotics, and residential engineering at a mobile scale are completely redefining the force and comfort of the human being on the asphalt of the planet. From aerospace palaces that raise pneumatic terraces on the roof to all-wheel drive trucks capable of crossing hostile deserts with quantum purification systems, the force of modern engineering has demonstrated that the frontiers of fixed architecture are no longer a limitation. Today, the future is conquered traveling with technology, algorithms, and next-generation transport megastructures. If you are passionate about seeing how extreme engineering breaks the limits of the impossible, and you want to keep discovering the most brutal machines and mega projects of the planet, don't forget to leave your like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos of the channel. Before you go, leave your comment down here. Would you dare to drive a 15-meter monster like the Rolling Palace Newell Coach P50, or would you prefer to explore the most hostile terrains of the world aboard the armored bunker Armadillo? I read you all with great attention. See you in the next video.